Steady a wobbly chair or table leg. Uneven furniture is not only inconvenient, it can be dangerous as well. Teetering tables can spill hot water on you. Wobbly chairs can tip over while you're sitting on them and give you a concussion. In addition to all of these minor inconveniences, uneven furniture legs can easily tip over and break plates, cups, and cause further injuries. Repairing these teetering tables and chairs is quite easy, and you don't have to be a master carpenter or an expert craftsman to do it. You can use normal, everyday items you can find at home to even out the legs and keep your furniture nice and steady. There are 3 methods you can use to even up the legs of your furniture. And below are the steps to stabilize the legs. Shorten the other legs. You'll need a few items to do this: sandpaper, pencil, or chalk, measuring tape, saw, if your furniture's legs are made of wood, and hacksaw, if your furniture's legs are made of steel or alloy. Measure the shortest leg. Use the measuring tape and get the exact measurement of the shortest leg. You will be using the measurement on the other legs to help even it out. If your furniture legs have rubber stoppers at the bottom, you have to remove them then. Make a mark. Use the pencil or chalk and mark the length you got from the previous step on the other legs. This is where you will cut or shorten the other legs. Shorten the legs. Use the saw on wooden legs or the hacksaw for steel or alloy legs. You can use the sandpaper to smoothen the nubs so that the newly shortened legs will not scratch the floor. If your legs have rubber stoppers at the ends, you can return them after shortening. Lengthen the shortest leg. You'll need a few items to do this: ruler, cork, and wood. Identify which is the shortest leg. Use the ruler to figure out which leg is the shortest one among them. Usually it is the shortest leg that causes the teetering and should be the one attended to. Measure the other legs. Still using the ruler, measure the other legs so that you know what the difference is between the short leg and the other legs. Compute for the difference by taking the measurement of the longer legs and minus from that the measurement of the shortest leg. Cut the cork/wood. Take the difference from the longer legs and the shorter one and cut out a piece of wood or cork with the corresponding measurement. Slide it in and stabilize. After cutting out the appropriate piece, slide it under the shortest leg to even it out. Loose joints. You'll need a few items to do this: sandpaper and wood glue. Wooden chairs often dry out and shrink with age. When this happens, the joints get loose and you'll need to replace it. Clean out any glue residue using sandpaper and sand the inside of your chair joint as well. Make the leg and the joint as smooth as you can without sanding off too much. Glue back the joint the appropriate height as the rest of the legs.